Hello friends, how are you all? Welcome to my channel. Today I have bought children's all-time favorite and very easy recipe pocket pizza. You can also give this to children in their lunch box. So before watching the video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. So first of all, I will take 2 cups of all-purpose flour. In this, we will add salt as per taste, a pinch of baking soda, half tablespoon of baking powder and 2 tablespoons of oil. Add water little by little and knead it well. We have to keep it like a normal roti dough. After the base is properly prepared, apply oil, cover it and keep it aside. Now here paneer, tomato, onion and capsicum have been cut into small pieces. If you want, you can add more vegetables to it like carrot or sweet corns. Put 2 tablespoons of oil in a pan. Add onion and cook it for 5 to 10 seconds. Now add half tablespoon of chili powder and half tablespoon of salt along with the tomatoes and fry for 5 to 10 seconds. We don't have to cook the tomatoes so much that they become soft. Now add capsicum and paneer and mix it well. If you want, you can also add hot chilies. Now add half tablespoon of oregano, half a tablespoon of chili flakes and 3 tablespoons of Szechuan chutney. Mix it all well and leave it to cool for a while. When this stuffing cools completely, we will add shredded mozzarella cheese to it and mix it well. Now we will make small puri from the kneaded dough. You can keep the size of these puris small or big as per your choice. I have made medium-sized puris here. Now we will place 1 or 1.5 tablespoon of pizza stuffing in the middle of the puri and gently stick the puri from all sides with the help of water. It's as tasty as it looks. Similarly, children like pizza very much. If you don't have time to make a pizza, then you must make it and give it to the children. It can be made quickly and children will love these pizza pockets. So our pocket pizza is ready. We can refrigerate the remaining stuffing in freezer and next time when the children ask for something, we can stuff it in a normal paratha and serve it. It will still taste the same.